Measuring your waist size can assist in selecting the right pair of jeans and keeping tabs on your health, and it's a simple process. To obtain an accurate measurement, first remove any clothing obstructing your waist. Then locate the soft section between your hip bones and rib cage, typically the narrowest part of your torso. Wrap a tape measure around your waist at your navel, ensuring it's parallel to the floor and snug, but not digging into your skin. After noting the measurement, double-check for accuracy by repeating it and averaging the results. Healthy waist measurements are under 37 inches, 94 centimeters for men, and 31.5 inches, 80 centimeters for women. Exceeding these figures can increase the risk of serious health issues. If your measurement falls outside the healthy range, consult a doctor. Additionally, consider such factors as pregnancy or certain medical conditions that may affect your waist size. And check your body mass index, BMI, for further insights into your weight status. If your BMI suggests you are overweight or obese, discuss weight management options with your healthcare provider.